Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel for Women in India. Today we will be talking about Gloria Benny, who is one of the co-founders of one of India's fastest growing youth volunteer networks called Make a Difference. MAD has cracked the code of harnessing the power of youth and channelizing their energy for improving lives of thousands of children at risk in India through education. Gloria Benny was born into a middle-class family in Kochi, Kerala, and did her schooling in Saudi Arabia. She came back to her hometown at the age of 19 and joined Mahatma Gandhi University for BCom degree, following the footsteps of her father. Here in Kochi, life was very different from the one she saw in Saudi Arabia. In 2003, she and her companions visited a shelter home in Kochi, where she got to experience a side of the world that she had not been exposed to till now. This was her first visit to a shelter home, and this experience changed her life. On witnessing the poverty and the condition of people who are suffering, she decided to come up with a solution to curb poverty. Soon, she started volunteering with her companions and came up with the idea of providing opportunities to children through education. With the motive of bringing a change to society, she started volunteering at different orphanages where she started teaching children. One thing that triggered her idea of promoting education was when she realized how are these kids going to achieve their dreams without even being still. It was then when she and her friends framed a concept named Make a Difference, or MAD. It is aimed to encourage and motivate children that will change the trajectory of their lives. They started empowering every child, helping them to aim big. They laid the foundation for MAD in 2006. MAD was primarily built by college-going volunteers who were able to spend time teaching kids after their college hours. Since MAD was created by college-going volunteers, they were not taken seriously until Benny stepped in for a full-time role in 2012. Before stepping in as a full-time role for MAD, Benny worked for Google as a project manager at Hyderabad for 5 years. Though it was hard to convince her parents on quitting her work and job at Google, they supported her when they understood her drive and passion. She also worked as a part of MAD in various shelter homes during her spare time while working. She has also reached out to various colleges for help, and a lot of volunteers who were keen to work with the team turned up. As a result, MAD was scaled from 30 volunteers to 3,000 volunteers. With surprising responses from young volunteers, Gloria Benny expanded this organization all over India, taking the firm to be the largest platform having youth volunteers in the country. Till 2010, this was a fully volunteer-driven team, but later changed its option to let only volunteers who would like to work anywhere for around 2 to 10 hours a week and commit at least a year with MAD. Now they have reached around 23 cities and 77 shelter homes, listing MAD to be India's first NGO run purely on a scalable volunteer model. Make a Difference was recognized by Michelle Obama, who chose MAD as one of the organizations to visit during her visit to India in 2010. MAD has also achieved awards like the NGO Challenge Award and the Website of the Year India in 2014. Overall, this has become the largest platform of growth for little hearts who aspire to achieve their dreams. That's it for today, guys. We hope that you found this video informational. If you do, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you next time.